Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and in today's video we're going to be cleaning and decorating my son's room. Today's video is sponsored by Lull. They were nice enough to send us a brand new mattress with some amazing new sheets as well, so I can't wait to show you how we pulled his room together. The goal for this room refresh was to make the room kid-friendly and also more comfortable bed-wise. So that's why we are so happy that we partnered with Lull to give Jayden a brand new mattress, because I think that's what keeps him in our bed, is the comfort of our bed. So if we can make his bed comfortable, I'm assuming he will be sleeping here in no time. Cleaning mode is on, you guys. Me and the hubby did a great amount of dusting in Jayden's room. He cleaned the windows and everything. I cleaned the fan and we were just dusting away. After dusting the room and cleaning the windows, it was time to vacuum. We moved the bed and everything because we were gonna get rid of this mattress, and we cleaned under there. I don't know what happened with that footage, but then I went in with the Swiffer because we have laminated floors in the second floor, so these are super easy to clean. We took out the old mattress, and then before we put the new one, we decided to put the area rock because it will be easier this way. Comes Jayden's new mattress. If you guys are not familiar with Lull, they are a premium memory foam mattress company that delivers straight to your front door, you guys. This is amazing. Delivery is free, by the way, so it's free shipping all the time. Not only is free shipping, but you guys get 100-night trial, no risk. If you don't like it, which I doubt that will be the case, you could return it. Lull has premium quality bed sheets and pillows, so check those out. I'm very happy with the ones that I got. This is how they look before I wash them. So I think about a year ago, I bought Jayden a table and a chair set from IKEA, and the hubby is setting that up here while I go downstairs and get his new sheets on the washer. So yeah, that's what he's doing here, as you can see, getting busy. I'm gonna go ahead, pick up the dresser area, give it a good wipe, and get this area nice and clean. For Jayden's room decor, it's Dinosaur, as you can see. So I got him this really pretty print from Amazon, and also this frames, I got them from Amazon. What I like is that they're not made of glass, they're made of plastic, so it's, you know, safe to have in a kid's room. So here we are trying to figure out like the wall layout for this little gallery wall that we're doing here for Jayden, and just trying to make sure that they look level. These frames are very lightweight, so we use command strip to hang them in the wall. It's my favorite thing to use. Time to make the bed, you guys. I am loving these Lull sheets. They are super comfortable, so soft, you guys. I'm sure Jayden is gonna have a great night's sleep here now in his new bed, so I'm super excited.
I got this feeling like it's starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us.
So here's an overview of how Jayden's room looks now. I did change the style of the bedding from the one that you saw that I recorded, but this is nicer, I believe. I'm super happy with it. Jayden is loving his room, you guys. This beautiful bedding set, I found it at Home Goods for like about $60, I believe. It was a 6-piece set. I'm loving it. It's so pretty, you guys. This beautiful rug, it's so stunning with the abstract colors of the blues, the grays, and the white. Also did some major spring cleaning in Jayden's closet. As you can see, it's pretty empty, and that's why we got rid of all the clothing that didn't fit, and also we got rid of toys that were not appropriate for his age anymore. It's just decluttering, guys. I like a clean space. Dinosaur headlamp is the cutest thing ever, and what I like is that it's a soft light that you could leave on throughout the night so the child doesn't get scared.
Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As you can see, Jayden has been loving his new mattress, enjoying his little room refreshed to the fullest. So I'm super happy that he's enjoying it, and I will catch you all on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family. I would love to have you here.